Hey Internet, welcome to heat transfer tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. What is heat flux and what is the connection to heat transfer rate? Okay, so we'll go summary first because the equation makes more sense when you can see it. So Q dot is heat transfer rate. So that's capital Q dot, that is. And little q dot is the heat flux. So when you integrate the heat flux with respect to area, you will get the heat transfer rate. So here's the wordy explanation. Heat flux denoted as the heat transfer rate per unit of area can be used to determine the overall heat transfer rate by integrating the heat flux over the entire surface area involved. Okay, so before we leave, I highly recommend that you save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. So click on your snipping tool icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool. And then once you have it open, click on video option, click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, and then save your video. Thanks for watching. If you got questions, comments, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.